Today, we're putting two leading performance tires head-to-head, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 and the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. Let's see how these tires stack up in the ultra-high performance category. The Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 has been a strong contender since its launch in 2019, known for its resilience in numerous tests. Meanwhile, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is a slightly newer, launched just a year later, bringing new technologies into play. In dry conditions, the Hankook managed to outbrake the Michelin by a tiny margin, just 0.2 meters. However, when it came to dry handling, Michelin took the lead by over half a second per lap, thanks to its superior grip and stability. Moving to wet performance, where safety becomes crucial, the Hankook again showed prowess in braking, outperforming Michelin by a notable 2.8 meters. However, when it comes to handling in wet conditions, Michelin dominated, faster by 0.73 seconds and scoring higher in subjective assessments. Notably, in aquaplaning, Michelin also led with the highest slipping speed, offering more safety and control in heavy rain conditions. Comfort is key for many drivers. In the tests, Michelin led with a higher comfort rating, though Hankook was quieter by 1.5 decibels, making it less intrusive. Concerned about sustainability? Michelin's lower rolling resistance means it's not only better for fuel economy but also emits less CO2 over its lifetime, a crucial factor in today's environmentally conscious market. Overall, while the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 impresses in wet and dry braking, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 stands out as the superior tire in handling, comfort, and efficiency. For the ultimate in performance, Michelin appears to take the crown in this head-to-head challenge. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.